S&P testing. There we go. Testing. I was going to say, please fill me. I've had a little bit of a difficult time getting any contracts in here. Downside objective, if it immediately just rejects back down, is 59.75. Otherwise, looking to add in for potential scalps along the way. POC shifting down as well. That makes it interesting. Testing the next, but did not get a fill. Okay. There we go. Just so I don't lose track of where it's at. Next zone now again, so we can modify for a potential scalp out of the first position, and then looking for a secondary drive to complete the scalper's target, although that has changed now a little bit. There. Yeah, FOMC days are always funky. Just kind of how they operate. $64 hit, but again, no fill. It's the S&P after all. The NASDAQ still kind of grinding around, not really doing much of anything. Yeah, once the announcement comes out, it's a different story, huh? Then it's a lot more interesting. And there's the scalp out. Nice. Pull them back a little closer. Tested, but no fill. There we go. So if the market just bounces straight from here and goes straight up, then a logical upside objective would be hovering around the 78 quarters. Secondary objective 76.75. See if the S&P wants to show up to the party here. That's a nice first spot. Second objective is a little bit further, but now that we've got this one here, I know that the target area is here, but I want to see if I can stretch it a little bit further. So we're at this next target area, and if too much happens here, then I'm just going to have to jump ship. But I want to see if they can pulse this to the upside. too much. We got the nice continuation back up. I tried holding on to see if they could pulse through that, but it would have been really nice to get that extra 2 down there, but I couldn't get the extra fill on that one. And of course, I couldn't get filled on the NASDAQ. I can't ever get filled on the NASDAQ to save my freaking life right now. Nice little dip